Hello, mic testing, mic testing, mic testing, mic testing. So my mic works fine. So what is up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another new fresh vlog. Since there is a long gap between a previous video and this video, like around 1 month, but that video too was from February, which I edited in May and uploaded last month. From then, technically I have not traveled anywhere since February, and I came to my place. I cleared off from Bengaluru. I came to my place. Seems like again the lockdown happened, so I couldn't travel anywhere. Well, even if I wished to, I couldn't travel because there's a lot of rain outside. So I thought maybe this is the right time to make this video. Most of the people were asking me what vlogging setup you use and what all things are involved in your vlogging setup. So without any more delay, let's start. The very first thing in the vlogging setup is of course the helmet. Well, let me show you my helmet. Oh yes, I had packed this. Like I told you before, I didn't travel for more than 4 months now. So I packed in my box and I kept it, So this is, Steelbird's robot SBH-17 Terminator. Well, if you have not watched the unboxing video and first impressions, I recommend you go and watch that one. I button here or here, wherever it is, it may come there. So this is, right now I put the black visor. There was one white visor with it. Yeah, that's the main highlight of this helmet. Well, this is where I mounted the M-Seal mount. Well, this was a tricky job really. I thought maybe this thing won't work for long, but trust me, Steelbird's, this quality of this vent is really very strong. I literally put my action camera on this and trust me, it doesn't bat an eye. It's very, very strong. Well, you can see this part. This is I made it really very straight so that the field of view of my action camera works really well. So this is how my action camera setup on this is. I used normal basic M-Seal on this so that it fits very tight and it won't get off even in the rain or in sunny days. This thing worked really well, like from the start when I really started my vlogging. So this is one of the reliable setup, I would say, for me. Others, I don't know. For me, it has worked like really well. The second thing is of course the eyes, that is action camera. Well, I use GoPro Hero 7 Black. Well, I don't remember when did I bring. Yeah, in 2018, October 2018, when this was about to get discontinued. Hero GoPro 8 was announced, but it was not released. That is why I couldn't wait, so I bought Hero Black 7. So next part is the housing. This housing, this is official. I'm sorry, because of my camera issues I cannot focus. This is official thing which comes in a box that is from Hero GoPro box. So this is how it looks. You put it in this. Trust me, it's very, very hard. So you put it on like this and you're good to go. Well, there's one problem with this. If you put this in this housing, then you have to make sure you mount properly the other mic adapter. I'll come to that also. This is the official mic adapter from GoPro. Well, GoPro doesn't support any other mic adapters, nor it can support any Type-C mic. So you have to have this mic adapter, without which you cannot. Well, there is a inbuilt microphone anyway, but still I would suggest you buy this if you are doing a motovlog, because there is a lot of wind noise. You can watch my previous videos where I didn't have this mic adapter, so I would somehow record it and then I used to do some noise cancellation and stuff, but it won't work that properly and the sound gets attenuated and stuff like that. So I bought this one on Amazon. I think I got it for 3,500 rupees. Well, I'll be specifying the price for each and everything. Well, here the camera was I bought it for around 26,000, I guess. I don't remember the price. It was between 26,000 and 27,000 because I had my 10% discount. This is how the mic adapter is. This costed me around 3,500 rupees if I told it before. I also bought one more housing from Ulanzi. The speciality of this housing is, well, this is how it opens. And this part, mic adapter sits this. And it's that simple. You don't have to put your mic adapter on your helmet. Well, this housing costed me around 1,200 rupees. Whole thing comes and sits on this. This is a yellow end of clamp. So, that's how it is. It's so simple. I told you before, right? It's very strong, and that is my eyes. That is my eyes. That's how it looks. So now most of the people may be thinking, mic adapter, you have a camera, where is your mic? Well, that mic is this, which I'm using right now, because I'm using this microphone as my primary microphone as well as my action camera microphone. my microphone just to show. I'll show you how I put it inside the helmet. Just put it here. Just connect, make it very small, and then I like this. Yeah, like this. You know, the main advantage of doing this is the cushion is very strong, and the wire sits between this part and the cushion, so it's very firm, and there's no chance that mic goes off and falls down. No, there's nothing like that. The cushion is very reliable and very strong, so that it sits between this part and the cushion sandwiched. So that is how I use it, because I can put it permanently inside, but the point is I don't have any other mic side right now, and I'm not feeling to buy right now because I am not traveling so much. So currently I'm using this, but maybe in coming videos I'll be permanently putting it inside, and I'll buy one more piece, so that I use that when I'm vlogging like this. The next stuff I want to talk about is the chest mount. Well, this is one of the very useful accessories actually. This is one of the best secondary kind of setup. So you can just put it, mount your camera here and go riding. That is that simple. It becomes a problem when riding too long, because this part completely gets wet and you start getting sweat all around this part. So I would not recommend you using this unless and until you don't have any other option. Well, there's one more option with the helmet actually, like this kind of mount. Well, this is one of the thing I used to use before. When you can watch my video 500 kilometers in one day. In that video I have used this chest mount. It was really a bit of uncomfortable thing when I was wearing it for a whole day, and on top of that it was very sunny day. It is very reliable too, but it comes with its disadvantages. Well, the one more thing, memory card. SanDisk Extreme, that is V30 class. These memory cards are a bit costlier than normal memory card which we use. Just make sure you buy these kind of memory cards so that you don't have to face GoPro really has a problem with slow memory cards. I used normal memory card and I tried to shoot 60 FPS on it, and it turns out it won't accept that. So that's how it is. I just wanted to tell this part because most of the people buy and they start facing the problems for the action camera when they go with the 60 FPS, 120 FPS or 240 FPS. These cameras don't last for a long time. If you're doing it in 60 FPS, I think it lasts around 1 to 1 hour 15 minutes at max, not more than that. If you're doing 4K, then it is like 45 minutes, not more than that. So I bought it extra, like it costed me around 1200 rupees. This is the charger which I use. This is a third-party charger and it works really well for me. All the things, everything which I'm showing in this video will be linked down in the description below, so that you can go and check it out, apart from GoPro 7, which is not available right now. So apart from that, every other thing I'll be linking down in the description below, so go check it out if you like any of them. It's a 3-compartment charger. The input to this is normal 5 volt 2 ampere charger, and I charge 2 batteries simultaneously, and it takes around 45 minutes to charge both the batteries at 100%. So that is really good. This battery charger won't charge serially, it charges parallelly. So that is the one thing you need to take care of. So it takes more time to charge, but it charges both the batteries at the same time. So we talked all the stuff which I use for my vlogging, but I would like to tell the total cost. My current vlogging setup costed me around, I calculated it, somewhere around 35k. It may be more, it may be less, like 500-600 rupees more or less. I am missing here and there, but yeah, it's around this range it costed me. Well, that is most of it what I use for my vlogging setup. Well, I want to talk about action camera a bit, because most of the people, like, this has become a trend now. When I started my vlogging, it was not that much of a trend. Most of the people are buying action cameras without knowing which action camera they have to buy. Most of the people think GoPro is a GoPro camera. No, it's not. It's called action camera. Most of the people who watch my videos already know that, but still most of the people who don't know that this is a GoPro, which is a brand. That's not a camera like we used to do in our when I used to be in school. I used to call that music player as an iPod, which was definitely not an iPod. It was a product from an Apple, which was a music player, which was called iPod, but definitely not an iPod, like as in gadget. So this is not a GoPro like any other camera. If you're taking, it's not a GoPro camera, it's a action camera. This is a brand which is a GoPro, and this has catch up the market like a fire. There are a lot of competitors for this. There is Akaso, there is SJ Cam, there is DJI, there is of course Insta360, DJI Osmo Action. Well, why Osmo Action? Because it's cheap. Number one, cheap in the sense value for money. When I tell cheap, it is just a value for money what I'm talking about. It costs around 20,000 rupees in Amazon right now, and it is one of the best competitor for this camera. And this camera is, I would have told to buy this camera, but this camera is discontinued. I don't think you'll get it anywhere now. But DJI Osmo Action, you can buy one if you are a beginner and if you want to explore the action cameras. The best point about DJI is you will get front screen as well, so that you know what you are recording. But here you don't get it. You get it in GoPro 9. Well, that is very costly now, which costs around I guess 38,000 or 37,000 right now. I don't know the exact price right now. So you're getting almost similar features in 20K camera from DJI. I think that is better thing for all the beginners who are about to start with action cameras. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I think you people have liked it. If you don't like it, you can hit the dislike, no problem at all. If you hit dislike, then do comment in the comment section below, so that where I can improve in which area and how you want the content to be in the next videos. Me signing off. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.